Hi, this is Tony with ADAS Depot, and in this video we're going to talk about the Equalizer Ultrasonic Leak Detector. This is our 2026 Autoglass Week Featured Product. And if you've ever had a car with a water leak or a wind noise, you know how hard it can be to find. So let's get this thing opened up and see what's inside. So once we get this thing out of the box, we got our user guide, carrying case. If you didn't know, this is actually a Mercedes factory endorsed tool. Inside we got some 9-volt batteries, transmitter, on-off switch, our receiver, and some headphones. If you're in a noisy shop environment, these will come in handy so you can pinpoint that leak. So let's get the batteries in this thing and see what it does. All right, now that we got this thing powered up, turn it on, indicator comes on, we'll put it in our demo case. We'll seal up our demo case, and then we will come around and hit the detect button, and then we'll come around here, and as soon as we create a leak, it should pick it up. Boom, picked it up. So that's it. Very cool tool, very quick and easy to find leaks, water or air. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.